Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at top 10 veggies rich in vitamin A. Animal products like meat, fish, dairy, and eggs are good sources of vitamin A. Many fruits and vegetables are also rich in provitamin A and can help you meet your needs. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays an essential role in maintaining vision, body growth, immune function, and reproductive health. Getting adequate amounts of vitamin A from your diet should prevent the symptoms of deficiency, which include hair loss, skin problems, dry eyes, night blindness, and increased susceptibility to infections. Let's get started. Number 10. Spinach. This leafy green vegetable is one of the best sources of vitamin A. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides about 180 micrograms, or 36%, of the recommended daily intake for adults. Like other foods high in vitamin A, spinach is a good option for improving night vision and maintaining healthy skin. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is another excellent source of vitamin A. 1 cup of cooked broccoli contains around 120 micrograms, or 24% of the RDI. Broccoli is also rich in fiber, vitamin C and K, and several other nutrients. Number 8. Carrots. We all know that carrots are rich in vitamin A. 1 medium-sized carrot contains approximately 160 micrograms, or 32% of the RDI. Carrots are also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin B6. Number 7. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is a delicious and nutritious way to increase your vitamin A intake. 1 cup of cubed butternut squash contains around 220 micrograms, or 44% of the RDI. This makes it one of the best sources of vitamin A. Butternut squash is also rich in vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium. Number 6. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is another great source of vitamin A. 1 cup of pureed pumpkin contains around 230 micrograms, or 46% of the RDI. Pumpkin is also a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. 1 medium-sized sweet potato contains approximately 150 micrograms, or 30% of the RDI. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber. Number 4. Celeriac. Celeriac is a root vegetable that is gaining popularity. It is a good source of vitamin A, with 1 cup containing around 190 micrograms, or 38% of the RDI. Celeriac is also rich in potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. Number 3. Parsley. This herb is one of the best sources of vitamin A, with 1 tablespoon containing around 322 micrograms. Parsley is often used to add flavor to dishes and can be easily incorporated into your diet. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritious snack that is high in vitamin A. 1 ounce or 28 grams of roasted pumpkin seeds contain around 170 micrograms, or 34% of the RDI. They are also a good source of magnesium, zinc, and iron. Number 1. Helps prevent urinary stones. Some research has found that vitamin A may aid in the prevention of urinary stones. In fact, 1 study out of the National Institute of Nutrition's Department of Biophysics in India examined the relationship between vitamin A levels and urinary stone formation among children and found that those with low levels of vitamin A had greater levels of calcium oxalate crystals in the urine, indicating a higher risk of urinary stone formation. But high doses of vitamin A may actually do more harm than good. Consuming too much from supplementation or in combination with other antioxidants has been associated with birth defects, lower bone density, and liver problems. So, how much is too much? The recommended daily intake for adults is around 700 mcg/Ray for women and 900 mcg/Ray for men. The upper limit is 3000 mcg/Ray per day. Going beyond this regularly can lead to toxicity. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.